Sis, if you've been feeling like you don't know who you are anymore, like life has knocked the wind out of you and you're just existing, I want you to know that you are not alone. We all have seasons where we fall apart a little bit, but you can come back to yourself slowly, softly, and on your terms. So let's talk about what that looks like. But first, hey y'all, welcome back to the Ladies Den, your cozy corner for all things femininity and womanhood with a touch of nostalgia. And this is our Morning Bloom, our under 7-minute audio series to help you grow, feel grounded, and start your day with intention. Whether you're getting ready, sipping your coffee, or you just need a little reset, this space is for you. And this morning, we're going to talk about how to rebuild your identity in a way that feels true, soft, and grown. So let's get into it. The first thing to do is to start by asking, what's actually mine? Sometimes in life, we pick up stuff, beliefs, habits, labels, things that don't even belong to us. You know, it's things that other people have put on us and that we just have believed it. So you've got to pause and kind of just ask, is this really me? Or is this what I was told to be? Your identity is not what happened to you, but it is what you decide to carry forward. For example, I had my mother, she would tell me that I couldn't wear yellow. And for years, I grew up thinking I can't wear yellow, when in reality, I just needed to wear the right shade of yellow. Now, yes, that's a very trivial thing, but sometimes the things that people tell us about ourselves are the things that we go on to carry on through adulthood. So be sure to break the cycles and realize who you are for you. Number 2 is to clean up your look, but keep it you. Now, you don't need to have a full beat or a new wardrobe, but when you look like you're trying, even just a little bit, you catch up with yourself. Do your hair, put on some lip gloss, make sure your brows are at least slightly together, like you don't have a unibrow. Wear earrings, even if you're just in the house. Put on that really cute dress, even if you're not going anywhere. But look like you care about yourself, and that helps you feel more like you. Number 3 is to block the noise for a moment. I know it can be really, really hard to find yourself when you're constantly being told who to be. On the internet, there's people telling you to be this way, be that way. So unfollow people that make you feel small. Stop explaining your every move to everyone in your personal life or at your job, because you don't owe anyone anything. You don't owe them your healing. Sometimes the real glow up starts when you just be quiet and trust your intuition. And I talk about this in my Raging Hunter video about being the it girl. The number 4 tip is that you want to write down who you want to be, not just who you were. So instead of replaying what went wrong, flip it. Write down what kind of woman you want to become. Is she patient? Is she soft but she knows her boundaries? Is she fun again? Write it down. You're not trying to be perfect, but you are trying to make room for the new you to show up. So consider who you want to be, okay? Don't think you have to be that person that you've always been. You are able to change. Number 5 is to get around people who see you for who you are and more than just your past. This kind of ties into the last one, but you don't need a huge circle. But what you do need is the folks who speak life into you. The right friend, the right mentor, or a woman who's like a big sister or an auntie to you. You just want someone who's always going to remind you of who you are and not who you were. You want a person who's going to speak life into you, who will pray for you, who will encourage you, and who will always, make sure that you strive to be the best person that you are. You want that kind of person. And if you don't have that yet, you got to be that for yourself until that person shows up. Because at the end of the day, you can only truly count on you, and you're responsible for your own actions. Number 6 is to make space for quiet joy. You don't have to be at brunch every single weekend or launching a business just to feel whole again. Like sometimes it's just about learning how to enjoy your own company. And that seems to be the problem with some people. Like they have to be around other people. So you really got to love yourself and love to be around yourself, because you're not always going to have a big circle. I mean, that just is what it is. So do something that's going to make you smile. No pressure. You know, you're allowed to feel joy and be happy and be excited about life and spend time doing, not much of anything, especially while you're still figuring things out, while you grow and develop as a woman. And lastly, number 7 is to take your time, but don't get stuck. Give yourself grace, but also give yourself a push. Rebuilding yourself, changing your old habits, your old ways, it takes time. But, don't sit and just muddle in that forever. Start small, take that class, update your space, pray more, eat better, exercise, drop the people who were bad influences on you, handle those things. You don't have to change everything at once, but don't let who you were take over. You gotta make effort to be a better person. So remember, ladies, you are allowed to become a new person even if nobody else claps for you. Okay? If no one claps, you're not behind. You're not lost. You're just becoming her. So thank you for sharing this space with me. Be sure to like this video, share this video, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for our daily dose of the morning bloom at the Ladies Den. Bye.